On today's first look, we have a 1966 Ford Mustang Custom Convertible, Lot 1086. This 1966 Ford Mustang Custom Convertible was professionally built by the team at Campbell Auto Restoration. Power comes from a 427 cubic inch Roush fuel-injected crate engine producing 592 horsepower. Made it to a 6-speed manual transmission with a McLeod twin-disc clutch and a Ford 9-inch rear axle housing, 31 spline axles, 370 Richmond gears, and a posi-traction differential. It features custom Lemons long tube headers feeding into a 3-inch exhaust system with Bassani mufflers routed beneath the rear bumper. Handling is delivered through a Total Control Products front suspension with coilovers, tubular control arms, and a power rack and pinion steering. The rear suspension is a one-off multi-link lay-down rear coilover setup. A Baer braking system provides stopping power with 6 piston calipers and 14-inch rotors. The body on this 66 Mustang has been extensively enhanced with metal widened fenders and quarter panels which accommodate the larger wheels and tires. The exterior also features custom front and rear bumpers, all finished in a unique red exterior. The interior features custom bucket seats finished in gray leather, a 1967 retrofitted dash with custom autometer gauges, a vintage air climate control system, and integrated modern conveniences such as satellite radio, GPS navigation, a backup camera, and integrated radar detectors. This custom Mustang convertible combines fuel-injected Roush power, modern chassis engineering, and luxury features. It was purpose-built to deliver high performance, drivability, and comfort. It's a standout custom Mustang convertible blending classic style with contemporary execution. And the best part about this 1966 Mustang Custom Convertible, it's selling with no reserve at our 2026 Scottsdale Auction held January 17th to the 25th at WestWorld. Go to Barrett-jackson.com, register to bid today, and we'll see you there.